All right, guys, welcome back to this fabulous vlog. Welcome back to the city of Aspen, Colorado. So we decided to take a venture through one of these quiet little mountain towns. This being Aspen, it's not so quiet this time of year. As you can see, it is during the winter. It is February here in Aspen, so we are going to take a walk down Main Street and see everything that Aspen has to offer. All right, guys, as you can see, we made it to fabulous Aspen, Colorado. Here in the backgrounds, you can see the mountains and some of the ski resorts. You can see some of the skiers coming down the mountains right now, but those ski runs are damn steep. I'm glad that I don't have the snowboard with me right now, otherwise I might be pulling a Sonny Bono, skis, horses, and hitting some trees, you know. But we decided to make a little stop here in Aspen, Colorado. So I'm going to do a walking tour for you guys. Right now we are on Main Street. This cross section is Main and Monarch. We're going to head our way up north, and then once we get done with that, we will make our way back and check out the other side of Main Street. Since there's a bunch of stuff to check out here in Aspen, they have plenty of restaurants, plenty of places to stay. Be sure to bring your dollars with you though when you come to Aspen, because staying here is not cheap. Usually the hotel can run you anywhere from about $300 a night on up. So just be prepared for that if you do come to Aspen, or if you're staying here, it can get quite expensive. But they had a nice little dusting of snow through these mountains. Castle Rock, I think, got 3 to 4 inches. So it's definitely cool to see all the trees with all this awesome snow frost on it, which is cool to see. As you can see, the mountains are covered in snow, and it is absolutely gorgeous today. It's about 25 degrees out, so not bad for a walk today in Aspen at all, especially if you have your hat and gloves on and a nice winter jacket. It's not too terrible at all. But we will make our way down Main Street a little bit further. We will make our way across the street at some point and venture down the other side and show you guys some of the shops, restaurants, and dining options that they have here in Aspen, because they do have a bunch. There's tons of stuff to do here, tons of ski resorts as well. So if you guys want to check out Aspen for the ski resorts, or just want to come here for the environment, or like I did, just come here for a day trip to enjoy the day, take in the sights and sounds. As you can see, Main Street is snow-packed. I would recommend getting a decent set of tires on your car before you try and venture up here, because it was a little bit slick with the snow and compacted ice and stuff. It makes it a little bit difficult for travel. So as you all can understand, always giving you a good idea to get some tires on your vehicle before you decide to make that trip into Aspen. But they have a bunch of options down here. They have a bunch of businesses and things. So if you are here to check out some of these businesses, you can certainly check that out. There is the Snowmass bus stop right up here. So if you guys are going to Snowmass, you can wait here and the bus will pick you up. They have little side things on the bus where your skis and snowboard can actually go right there. So anyway, I think we will venture back the other way, because most of this is just residential areas and businesses and things like that. All right, sweet. For the most part, it looks like everybody's stopping. Make our way quickly across the street so we don't hold up a bunch of traffic here. Like I said, we'll make our way down this side of the street. Most of the restaurants and shops that I've seen were kind of tucked back into this back right-hand corner, so that's what we are going to explore. Looks like it has accumulated a pretty decent amount of snow over the year. It's pretty deep right here. You can see the top of this garbage can here. There's certainly some snow. A little bit different from what you're used to or accustomed to seeing in fabulous Lost Wages, but Aspen has its cool things, and Colorado has awesome things to check out and enjoy. So this is a little park here in Aspen where you can bring your dogs and stuff like that and enjoy the park. Sorry if I seem a little winded. Aspen is about 9,000 feet up in elevation, so if you are not accustomed to trekking around in high elevations, Aspen may not be the place for you, but it's one of the places that I wanted to check out, so here we are today in fabulous Aspen. So right now this street right here is Aspen Street and Main Street. We're walking parallel to Main Street, so this cross street right here would be Aspen. They used to have a little cafe here. This is all shut down and boarded up, which is sad to see. Too bad this wasn't going. It'd be cool to check out what was there. Not used to seeing sites like that, especially here in Aspen. Usually Aspen's a pretty poppin' place. They got a bunch of stuff going on. And they have all these little pay kiosks. So when you come here in the summertime, you can park right here on the street, pay right at this little kiosk and go. Parking can be kind of atrocious here in Aspen, so when you come here, be sure to take that in mind, take that into consideration. But here's those pay for parking things. So to give you an idea, 15-minute parking in this spot. 15 minutes of parking is free, and then after that they do charge. But we will check out some of the shops and sights and sounds of Aspen here as we make our way down towards the downtown area. Got a bike rental company here. It's pretty popular in the summertime. You can take mountain bikes up the mountain and stuff like that. So if you guys want to check out Aspen in the summertime, you can certainly do that. Here is Monarch and Main, so this is kind of where we started our little adventure here. I will cross the street and we'll make a right, go down Monarch, and check that out a little bit. But you guys can see these awesome mountain caps all around Aspen. Aspen's sort of surrounded in the little mountains all the way around it. So as you can see, mountains pretty much everywhere, which is always a cool and nice and inviting sight. Actually, I think we're gonna make it up one more block and then we'll take a right. But they have tons of these little shops. This one is a restaurant here. They have a bunch of shops where you can pick up souvenirs and things for your family, if that's what you're in Aspen to do, is sightsee and be a tourist. They have plenty of things for you to check out. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna sightsee and be tourists today. These benches are cool. Made out of nice timber that's all cut, and then they have eagles and stuff that are carved into that one. They have a tree carved out of that one, which is kind of cool. Like I said, this downtown area of Aspen, they have a bunch of shops and stuff, banks, things like that. I know they have a US bank here, so if you bank with US Bank like I do, you can stop at their ATM and pull money out for free. And if you guys want a good idea of where some parking is, it's relatively close to Main Street, right here at this intersection. This one is, shit, it's all covered in snow. Hold on one second. Main and Mill Street. So if you go left, turn left onto Mill, right down there past US Bank, there's a little parking garage for the public. But like I said, there's a bunch of shops down this way and a bunch of places to eat. They have little one-way streets down here downtown, so we are going to check out some of these little shops and things like that and see where we can get ourselves lost in Aspen today. Have a GoPro sign over there. I wonder if they have some camera gear and equipment. Be cool to kind of check out. Got a small little dusting of snow coming down right now from those clouds a little bit further up by the ski resort. So I think this ski resort is the Aspen ski resort right up here, straight ahead of us. Over on my right, there's a Wells Fargo here, so if you bank at Wells, here's your bank. we will make our way across the street here. So this is Hopkins and Mill Street right here, was that intersection that we just walked past. Make our way up a little bit further towards the ski resort. Check out some of the things up here. I think there's another bike rental shop up here a little bit further on my left too that we can check out. Like I said though, gorgeous day to be out, about 25 degrees, so walking in a hat, big coat, hooded sweatshirt, and gloves is absolutely perfect. Have a gallery right back here. It's a little art gallery to check out, so if you guys are interested, you can check that out off Hopkins Avenue and Mill Street. Straight ahead, this should bring us by the ski resort. Water and slush, and then this little spot, there's no cars or anything like that, so this spot is really cool. So in the summertime I'll have to venture back here and check this out a little bit more thoroughly, but they have this nice little area with all these shops. So over to my left it looks like they have a jewelry store. They have some souvenir stuff, another jewelry store, and this rock gem place. Those are kind of cool. Check these out. That's way sweet. Bunch of rock formations and stuff. Sure, you can find that all over in Aspen, especially in the mountains and stuff, because mountains has been kind of one of those mining places for a long time here in Colorado. I know Glenwood Springs, that was a little mining town that started off in. And we are actually going to be in Glenwood Springs today, going to check out some areas down there as well. As you can see, they have a bunch of little shopping centers and things like that to check out here in Aspen. So if you're coming here, it's a great place for skiing. Mountain biking is another thing that it's known for. They also have plenty of fine dining restaurant options, and like I said, plenty of shopping and stuff to get souvenirs for your friends and family. So we will have to check that out. I told Heather that I'd probably pick her up something from Aspen, so I got to figure out exactly what we're going to figure out as a gift for her and the kids and kind of go from there. But we'll make our way down the other side of this and to check out some of the little shops and things that there are here on this side. They have another art gallery here, an antique store. Those are pretty cool. And they have some more jewelry and things like that down here. Looks like there's a pizza place down here a little bit further down too. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. There's no wind today. It's just surreal seeing all the snow on the trees and stuff. It's absolutely a gorgeous sight to take in, guys. That is for sure. Beautiful day here in Aspen. Can't ask for too much. But this is one of those things that you can certainly ask for. You may not always get it, but this is a great day here in this little mountain town at 9,000 feet in elevation and at 25 degrees today. Certainly not bad. If you are into marijuana or cannabis products, you can check out Green Dragon over here. That's a cannabis company right down here on this little boulevard. And New York Pizza is upstairs a little bit further. So if you go right up there, that'll take you to New York Pizza, the Aspen T-shirt company. So you may have to go in there and check out some things, see what they have for gift ideas and things like that. But I think actually we might have to go check that out. I told the wife I'd get her a little souvenir gift, and I think that might be the place. She's always liked hooded sweatshirts and things like that, so that might be the gift for her. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little walking tour of Aspen, downtown, the surrounding area, Main Street. If you guys did like this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more. Be sure to also hit up Patreon. Patreon has sneak peeks and things like that for you all to check out before it hits YouTube, and stuff that won't hit YouTube, like camping adventures, things like Colorado adventures and things like that. So if you guys are definitely interested, be sure to check that out. But as always, my name is Ryan here with 4K Vegas Channel. As always, until next time, my friends.